We here at Cranbenny's Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this week's Cranbenny's Primary School Online Assembly. It is just so fantastic to see everybody out there today. A few messages that I'd like to pass on to our school community. And the first message is to say a really big thank you to all the parents who nominated for school council positions. We will be conducting an election, a ballot, and the information will be coming home very, very shortly. My next point is just a reminder, children, about the importance of wearing your school hat, not only on the way to school and on the way home from school, but during the recess, lunch times, and any time you've got outdoor activities. We just want to make sure everybody's body is protected as much as possible from those harmful effects of the sun. And also a really big thank you, children. I just want to congratulate all our students in Year 3 to Year 6 who are wearing face masks. Well done, children. And I've also seen several other children around the school in the junior grades wearing masks at all. So a big thank you and congratulations, everyone. I was thinking last night as I was reading to my grandchildren about passing on some reading tips to our students. I really cherish the time I have with my grandchildren, and just before they go to bed every night, we always make time to sit on the couch and share a book. And some of the things that we do, some of the strategies, and I know you do this, but you might like to do this at home, is when you're reading, it always helps if you point to the words. You can ask questions, or if you're reading to someone at home, they might like to ask you questions about the story. We make predictions, but you know all about that. And you also know about segmenting and blending. And the other really important thing is to remember, children, to bring your reader bag to school every single day. So just a reminder, the importance of reading. And I'd really like to ask all our students to make sure you read on a regular basis. That's every night and even on weekends. My final point today, I've got some really, really exciting news to share with you. Let me just find it. I know it's here somewhere. Yes. I'm not sure if you know about this, but we are going to be holding a community movie night on Friday, the 18th of March. That's where we invite our students and parents to come into the school, and we'll have a massive screen and we'll all enjoy each other's company and watch an outdoor movie night. We've had this plan for 2 years, and it's absolutely fantastic that we can now conduct that movie night. So information will be coming out to our school community very, very soon. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Make sure you do your reading, and I'll look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Next week on Monday, 8th March, is International Women's Day. International Women's Day is an annual event that celebrates all the amazing things women have achieved, both past, present, and future.
It is a way to show how women have and continue to influence the world.
As well as celebrating brilliant women, it's also used as a day to highlight and raise awareness about issues that women still face.
For International Women's Day in 2022, the theme is Break the Bias.
This theme looks at how we can live in a gender-equal world that is free of discrimination and can celebrate our differences.
To honor International Women's Day, we can recognize and be thankful for the amazing women that have inspired us.
These women may be globally recognized from our community or inspirational in our own personal lives.
An inspiring woman that I think has influenced the world is Marie Curie, because she discovered radiation in medicine and changed history by helping many people in the world.
A special woman in my life is my mom, because she takes care of me and makes dinner for me every day.
A woman in my life is also my grandma, because she's taking care of my grandpa, because she's the only one there to help him.
Inspirational woman that I believe we need to celebrate this International Women's Day is Ash Barty. Not only is she an Australian professional tennis player that is ranked #1 in the world, but is also a National Indigenous Tennis Ambassador. She is a great role model for women in sport and the Indigenous community.
Well, in support and recognition of International Women's Day, I would like to recognise my wonderful wife Debbie, who's always been there to support everything that I've done. We've had some wonderful, wonderful times together. We have beautiful children, we have wonderful holidays, and well, I'm really proud of my wife because she's a fantastic teacher who absolutely loves going to work every day, supporting children in her prep team. So, big thank you, Deb.
There are so many important women in this world. For me, it's my mum, my sister, my nana and my aunties.
Inspiring woman, that's my mom who helps our family.
My sister is amazing.
In recognition of International Women's Day, I'd like to do a shout out to my wife Amy, my daughters Billy and Lila, and my mum Leonie, who have always looked after me, cared for me and provided great friendship and love all throughout my life. Thanks.
Miss Gladdy is a special woman to me. She helps me write and learn so much.
Miss Pastizzi is someone that I look up to because she is funny and kind.
A powerful woman that has made a difference in Australian history is Edith Cowan, because she was the first female member of an Australian parliament.
I would like to shout out my wife Emily for International Women's Day and say a big thank you for being resilient, brave and courageous, and for being a wonderful nurse that supports and looks after people. Thanks, Ems.
The woman I look up to is my mom, because she takes care of me and my siblings and she is kind and caring.